Audio sync. Action.
Hey everyone, it's Matt here from ROKR and today we have something truly special for you. I'm standing next to the 2023 G87 BMW M2, and let me tell you, this car is an absolute beast. Now, I know what you're thinking. Matt, you say this about every car. But trust me, this one's a little bit different. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the car that everybody loves to hate. And I'll share my thoughts on the exterior, interior, engine, and then we'll take it for a spin from my point of view. So buckle up and let's get started. Let's talk about the exterior. This car is finished in a stunning Brooklyn gray metallic, which, in my opinion, is the perfect color for this car. It gives it a sleek and sophisticated look while maintaining the aggressive edge that BMW M cars are known for. One of the key features about this car is the carbon package, which includes a carbon roof, bucket seats, and interior trim. It also gives you the M Drivers package, which increases the electronic top speed limiter, allowing the car to reach its maximum speed. And as a bonus, it includes a voucher for a high-performance driving course at BMW's Performance Center. I would love to try that out, actually. This car has the perfect boxiness to it. And it might not be for everybody, but this car is definitely not ugly in person. The taillights remind me of Transformers, like Bumblebee's eyes or something. Like, they don't look intimidating at first, but the rest of the body makes up for it. It is also fitted with BMW's anniversary badge, which is a nice touch with this color. Now, let's move on to the interior. The inside of this car is finished with black merino leather, which gives it a luxurious and premium feel. But one of the first things that I noticed when I sat down inside of the car was how snug the seats were. As I mentioned, it has bucket seats, so they kind of squeeze you in when you're driving. What I didn't realize was you can open them up a bit, which would have been perfect for the little bit of cornering that I did do. The car also comes with a Harman Kardon sound system, CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can jam into your favorite tunes while you're cruising down the Autobahn. I-95. Let's talk about what's under the hood. The G87 M2 is powered by a 3-liter twin-turbocharged inline-6, known as the S58. This engine is paired with a tuned exhaust with quad tailpipes and, most excitingly, a 6-speed manual transmission. Yes, you heard me right. This car has a claimed 0 to 60 time of 4.1 seconds, which is incredibly fast. And it also comes with M compound brakes, dynamic braking and stability control, and an adaptive M suspension, which ensures that you have complete control over the car at all times. Are your friends making fun of you because you know nothing about cars? Is everything I'm saying sound like mumbo jumbo to you? Well then, you may name my book, Learning About Cars for Beginners. It's a guide that helps you learn the basics about cars so that whenever you hear somebody talking about a V8 engine or a carburetor or fuel injection, you won't be so lost. Trust me, it's the kind of book I wish I had when I was starting out. Alright, plug over, let's get back to the M2. Now, let's take this beast for a spin. As I mentioned earlier, I feel like I haven't even tapped into the potential of this car yet. It's so powerful and I wish I could stretch its legs in a more open and legal area. But for now, let's see what we can do right here. Well, there you have it, folks. The 2023 BMW M2 G87. This car is an absolute monster, and I honestly believe it needs to be on the track to truly appreciate its capabilities. It's powerful, it's fast, and it's incredibly fun to drive. Overall, I'm incredibly impressed with this car, and I can't wait to see what BMW comes up with next. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one. If you enjoyed this review, check out my C8 Corvette review, or click on this one over here. And make sure to slap that subscribe button for more car reviews.